Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Got kind of a weird one out here today. We've done this before where we have customers that have really long labels and they want to dispense them out and not have them stick to themselves or stick to everything. So we used the universal erector set, some 80/20 here, and actually used a couple of existing holes in the label printers. And I'll show where those are. There's one here and one here, where we actually mounted this 80/20 piece, these little brackets, and then this channel, and we've got Teflon tape on this channel. And the printer on the left has got some of the customer's labels in it and is ready to go. And my trusty sidekick Jake is here once again to who's been working on this project to show us what it's all about. So Jake, show how this works. You're just dispensing a label out there, right?
Yep.
And
Yeah.
It
So
stuck a little
there's
bit to the base, but for the most part, it came out pretty error-free. And then, yeah, show us what it says on the.
So the printer knows there's a label sitting there ready for you to take off, and when you remove it, it'll go back to its ready status for
Yeah.
another label.
And then you got another one you can spit out there
Yeah.
too, right? So then we're not printing, we're just advancing, but you'll spit out the second label, and there it is, ready for the customer to take as well. So, fun little project that we did. Kind of do a little bit of a close-up on what this ramp looks like here, but just something we added to the printer to help the customer with long labels and be able to dispense them without them sticking. So I thought we'd share that with you. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to get us. Thanks for watching.